How's it going, guys? I'm Victor with DIY Time channel. Recently I've got this Chevy Tahoe PPV, and for the past months I've been slowly working on sorting out all sorts of issues with it. And in today's video I'm going to talk about front seats. For me personally, these are the biggest eyesore because they're plain old, dirty, and ugly. And in the back I've got really nice looking leather seats in pristine condition. I've been wanting to do something about this, but reupholstery is going to cost you around $700 plus labor, and replacing those seats would run about $1,000. So for now I decided to go with these leather seat covers from Amazon that cost me around $120. And I think they look pretty decent for that price. But for now, let's go back really quick. I'm going to show you unboxing and installation process. And after that, I'm going to show you the final looks. The one I've got made by a company called Coverado. They have a pretty big store on Amazon where you can choose multiple different colors, patterns, and car brands and models. I went with these black ones for the front row seats only, but you can also buy a set for the entire car if you want. So we've got 2 top covers, 2 bottoms, installation hardware, owner's manual, and 2 headrest covers. They've got this really nice looking perforated leather pattern, which is not real perforated leather, it just looks pretty close to it. On the sides you're going to find out those cutouts for the airbags, and that's how you're going to distinguish where is the left and where is the right side. And overall fit and finish quality seems to be pretty good. To install the bottom cover, we're going to have 2 hook straps in the front and 2 buckle straps in the back. Position seat cover all the way towards the back, and then attach front hooks first. And then push the buckles in the back through the seat and then connect them together. There's a couple of different ways to do that, and it's up to you how much you want to struggle with it and how good of a look you want to achieve. You can push the strap through this hole for the seat belt, and a small portion of it is still going to be visible. Or else you can try to wedge it in between the seat cushion and the plastic trim, but this method is going to be a little bit more challenging. But if you manage to do that, it's certainly going to look a lot better. Next, we're going to need to install these brackets for the top cover. Then temporarily take out the headrest. Then pull the cover onto the seat. Push the brackets through the crack on the bottom of the seat. And make sure that the holes for the headrest are aligned with the seat cover. Put the headrest back on. The headrest cover has this flap on the bottom with Velcro to be attached on the inside of the cover. It was a little bit of struggle to put it on, but finally it got in place. And I like that it sits there very nice and snug. Attach the Velcro flap on the bottom, and that completes the installation process. So here's the final look. I installed both sides, and I think those seat covers look really, really nice. And I would even say some people who drive with me in this car don't even have a clue these are seat covers and not original seats. The covers were a little baggy at first, but over time they kind of set snug around the seats and they don't move around as much anymore. They could become a little more hot in the summer than cloth seats, but here you gotta choose between the looks or comfort. I think the price is reasonable. Overall quality is pretty good. They're easy to wash, and that is a success in my books. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're interested, I can drop the link for these particular seat covers down in the description area below. Also, I'm going to make more videos about other repairs I've done on this truck. I've replaced the dashboard, replaced rear view mirror, and some other trims and panels. And I also programmed spare remote for the car. I had some issues with the battery system not charging. I also found and fixed the rattle on the bottom of the truck. There's some other electrical issues that I'm still dealing with. It also thrown a couple of check engine lights for me as well. And I also replaced the tires and reprogrammed TPMS sensors. I'm also going to be replacing the radio system to the big touch screen. Stay tuned for that. And pretty much anything I'm going to do, I'm going to document and post it here on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel and keep following me with this project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.